Hello everyone, let us now discuss today's LeetCode POTD problem 2337. Move pieces to obtain a string. So, in the question's description, we are given with two strings, start and target. So, in the start and also target, the size of the string is same, n. Now, we have start and we have target. In the both the strings, we are only given with characters L, R, and underscore. Now, this is a blank space, and in the start, we can move this L to the left only if the leftmost the first left character is an underscore, and R can be moved to the right, the first right character only if it is an underscore. Now we need to return true if we can make start we can transform start to the target, or else false. If you see the first example, we are given with underscore L underscore underscore R underscore underscore R underscore L underscore 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 RR. This is the start and this is the target. Now, if you see, we have L first. Now, we have another L here. That means we can surely transform this L. So, we have an underscore. That means a blank space before this L. Now, I'm transforming it. These three, and now we have an R here, we have an R here. This R is at the last position, at this position, and this R is at the last position. So we can go like this R can be transformed to here, and then this R can be moved to this, then we can get. So by this way uh, we can get, so there is only one underscore here. So by this way we can get our target here. Now, if you see clearly, first observation, these L, R, R, these three are continuously similar. That means we got first L in our start and also first L in our target. If you traverse through both the strings, we got L and L. Imagine if we have example like, let me take another example. So we are given with another example, R underscore L underscore 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 L R. So now R can be transformed to here L underscore underscore. Now L can be transformed to no, we cannot transform this target. Now we have this. So they cannot be crossovered. L and R cannot be crossovered. So here L and R, but here we got R and L. That means these first characters are not similar. Then we will return false. So the first observation is, if we got the letters unsimilar, then we need to return false. Now let us see another example. Underscore R R underscore. This is the start and this is the target. Now we are at this position 0 and 1, and here 0 and 1. This is the target and this is the start. Now we got R at 1. Then this R can be moved to the right. That means if you clearly observe in the target string, R should be after this one. So as you can move R to the next positions in the target, it should be either at this position. So if you clearly observe, if you clearly say, if this is I, now R should be at I or greater than I. Many people in the another solutions or POTD don't explain you why we need to get R should be greater than the position of R should be greater than or equal to the position of R in start. So the thing is, R can be moved only to the right. That means target should be at the position or after the position of R in start string. Now, if you see in this example, I will write once again underscore L underscore R underscore. Now, this is the target, this is the start. If you see here, we have L at position I is equal to 1. If you if we initialize the indices at target as J, this J is less than the position of I. That means L can be transformed to the left side. So the second observation here is, as we can move L to only left. So whenever we get L in both start and target, here it is I and here it is J, then J should be less than or is equal to I. So this is the second observation. So J should be less than or equal to I. That means the position at which L is found in target should be less than the position at which we got L in start. These are only two conditions, and the third condition, as I said, in this R and L are all not equal. So then we directly return false. So these are only the three conditions which we need to understand in this question. So I will be explaining the algorithm. So firstly, let us go with the algorithm. Before that, I will explain you the approach. As I said, we need to compare only letters. That means L R. So the thing is, skip the blank spaces. Skip the blank spaces. And as I said, there will be three conditions. We will be at this position I, J in start and in target. If we got here it is R and here it is L, that means if they both are not equal, then we will be returning false. And the second condition here is, if you got L in I and L in J, that means they both are equal, then J should be less than or is equal to I. This is the condition, as I said, going through the second example. Now, R in I, R in J. That means I should be greater than or is equal to. Sorry, I should be. I should be less than or is equal to J. If we got are at this position, then in the target it should be after this position. Now the algorithm for this question will be initialize I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, and n as size of start string as they both are of equal size. So now we will be running a while loop until I is less than n and j is less than n. So in this we will be adding first condition, second condition and third condition. If this condition doesn't satisfy, then we will be returning false. If j is greater than I, if it is L and if it is R and I is greater than j, we will be returning false. And here start of I is not equal to target of j, then we will be returning false. And here skipping the blank spaces. For that we will be running a while loop. So that's all for today. If you like this, then I will be uploading daily POTD questions of LeetCode. Then you can subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.